The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S versus the Vredestein Ultrac Vorti Plus. It's a high-stakes showdown from the ultra high-performance category. One is the reigning king since 2017, the other a fresh challenger from Vredestein. Can the Vorti Plus shake the throne, or will the Pilot Sport 4S defend its crown? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's 2022 UUHP Summer Tyre Test. In wet braking, Michelin stops 52.9 meters versus 56.3 meters for Vredestein. That's a 3.4 meter advantage, or a 6% edge. On the wet handling lap, Michelin laps 2.46 seconds quicker, or 3% faster. How about straight line aquaplaning? Michelin holds on till 88.1 km per hour, just 1 km better than Vredestein, a slim 1% each. Overall, the 4S dominates in the wet. When it comes to dry braking, Michelin stops 33.73 meters versus Vredestein's 36.85 meter, a significant 3.12 meter advantage, or a 8% each. On dry handling, Michelin is again 2% faster around the lap, a 1 second difference. Again, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S leads convincingly in dry. When it comes to comfort score, the Vredestein edges ahead with a perfect 10 versus Michelin's 9.5, a 2.5% subjective gain. But when it comes to exterior noise, Michelin is 0.7 decibel quieter. Michelin records a rolling resistance coefficient value of 9 compared to the 9.6 of the Vorti Plus, giving the 4S a 6% edge in energy efficiency. When it comes to pricing, the Vredestein Ultrac Vorti Plus comes in at a significant lower price point, offering approximately 35% savings compared to the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. In summary, the Vredestein Ultrac Vorti Plus comes at a lower price point and a bit more comfortable. On the other hand, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is the clear winner, as it dominates where it matters most in wet, dry, and rolling resistance. For serious performance, the 4S still rules the UUHP category.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.